Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a game-changing electric shaver, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000, model S9987/85. This is a high-tech device designed to offer superior comfort and a close shave with some advanced features that might just take your grooming routine to the next level. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 comes with a host of exciting features, including the lift and cut shaving system and SenseIQ technology. The lift and cut system uses a dual blade mechanism to cut hair in multiple directions, ensuring you get a smoother shave with minimal effort. Plus, the shaver adapts to your skin's unique needs with the help of the SenseIQ tech, which adjusts the pressure and guides your shave for personalized comfort. One of the standout features here is the flexibility of the shaver's heads. They rotate 360 degrees so it can follow the contours of your face, including tricky areas like your neck and upper lip for a more comfortable shave. The intelligent pressure guard sensor is another highlight. It not only protects your skin, but also gives you feedback through a light, indicating when you're pressing too hard or too lightly, so you can adjust for the perfect shave every time. In terms of performance, this shaver is incredibly efficient, even with dense facial hair. If you haven't shaved for a few days, don't worry, it'll still get the job done without pulling or irritation. And the shaving head is coated with nano skin glide technology, which helps reduce friction and makes the shaving experience smoother and less irritating. In fact, it's claimed to be 30% smoother compared to other models, thanks to the 250,000 microbeads per centimeter on the shaving head. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience of using this shaver. I found it easy to incorporate into my routine, especially because it's wet and dry capable. Whether you're in the shower or on the go, this shaver delivers consistent results. The pop-up trimmer is also really handy for detailing those hard-to-reach areas like sideburns or under the nose. There are, of course, a few things to consider. While the shaver itself is great, the lack of a power adapter in the box might be a downside for some. It's not a deal breaker if you've got a compatible USB charger lying around, but it's worth noting. Another potential issue is the size. While the ergonomics are solid, the design might feel a bit bulky for those who prefer a more compact shaver. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the shaver offers a super close shave, is easy to use with its flexible heads, and protects the skin with its pressure guard sensor. The nano skin glide coating also really reduces irritation. On the flip side, no power adapter is included, and it may feel a bit bulky for some users. As for the value for money, it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, but if you're looking for a shaver that adapts to your skin and offers a high-quality, irritation-free shave, it's worth the investment. The included cleaning pod, travel case, and pop-up trimmer also add value to the package, making it a comprehensive grooming tool. Comparing it to other high-end electric shavers, this one stands out because of its advanced technology and the overall shaving experience it offers. It's designed for those who want not just a close shave, but also a more personalized, comfortable experience. Regarding build quality and longevity, the materials feel premium and the flexible shaving heads seem durable. As for longevity, Philips is known for making reliable grooming tools, and this one should last a good while with proper care. I haven't had direct experience with customer support, but Philips generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries and issues promptly. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other high-tech electric shavers out there that might suit your needs, like the Bronze Series 9 or Panasonic Arc 5, but they typically come at a similar price point. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 does offer a unique combination of features, particularly the SenseIQ and pressure guard sensor, which may be a deciding factor for some. So, what's the final verdict? The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 delivers on its promises with a close, comfortable shave and a range of thoughtful features that cater to different skin types and hair textures. If you're someone who values personalization in your grooming routine and prefers a smoother shave with less irritation, this is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description box for the link to purchase. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.